I'm on my way to work, but I got an email this morning, so I'm here at the post office to pick up my package from the Randolphs and MAM Couture, and we're gonna check that out first and foremost. Okay. The bag has been secured, y'all. Once we get over here to the Rocky Mountain Roastery, check out what's inside.
What's up, you guys? I'm Kai Phoenix. If you guys are looking for something fresh, stylish, and new to wear, you need to check out MAM Couture. It's out of Denver. I'm gonna put the link below. I just did. I got 2 items here. I got, first of all, this tie-dye hoodie right here. It's a great dye job. Color's good. It's all double stitched around the pocket. Everything good quality. Like I said, it'll be in the link below. You're definitely gonna want to check it out. You can also pick up lots of other items like tanks, sunglasses, hats, everything. Men, women, it's the hottest in urban couture fashion. Check it out. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna feel like a meal all day today. That's better.